Yeah, welcome back to the Wise Choice channel. This is Mr. Wise Choice himself. I'll be preparing some vegetable soup
Yeah, peeps.
this
Yeah, man.
evening.
My apologies. This is not actually a
So
vegetable
these are
soup.
my
It's actually a
ingredients that will
chicken
be put
soup
into the soup.
with vegetable.
Alright,
So
I got
my
my
bad.
celery, I
My
got my corn
apologies.
there,
Yeah, man.
I got
Actually,
my
a chicken
turnip,
soup with
some
vegetable.
Irish, and some
Alright?
pumpkin.
Cool.
So I'll be setting up a nice vegetable soup. So just stay tuned and I'll show you guys throughout the process. Yes, my peeps. So preparation done here now for the vegetable soup. Yeah man, looking real good, looking real good. This is how Mr. Wise Choice do it, you know. So we have some chicken there. You know, we have the seasoning, you know, with scallion, with onion, with pepper, with pimento, garlic, and you know, yeah, some thyme. And you know, we have to put in the grace cock soup, you know, straight up. Yeah man. See the vegetable them here? Yeah, actually added some chocho and some carrots in that, you know. Yeah man, looking real good, you know. Yeah man, this is how we do it. So catch me when everything is in the pot cooking up and you'll see the final, you know. Yeah my peeps, this is how we do it. This we call preparation of a vegetable soup. Nice and easy, nice and smooth, nice and lovely. Yeah man. So catch me when everything is in the pot. Yeah man, respect. Yeah my peeps. Yeah man. See it you know. Basically everything in. Super bubble. Looking good. Looking good. Yeah man. So I'll just be adding in my seasoning now. Yeah man. Straight up. Yeah man. Just like that, you know. So we do it. Yeah man. Look good, don't? Yeah man. Yeah man, I know another want some of this right now. Very good, very nice, and very healthy. Yeah man, cause right now you know so we have to look about the health and eat good, proper food, you know? Yeah peeps, so this is basically it now with everything in. Yeah man, so when all is done, yeah man, you will see the final of it when it's all done. Yeah man. So just keep on watching. Yeah man. Up. You know peeps, once again, yeah man, that's another final touch up to this vegetable soup. I'll be now adding my grease spicy cock soup. You know, give it a little flavor and a small amount of sodium because, you know, as I say, we have to be watching the health. So we don't want anything what we are consuming too salt, you know. So, yeah. So I just add in that, you saw that look good. Wow. Look how it's coming. Wow, look how that's pretty. Yeah, man. Everybody cooks soup differently. But this is Mr. Wise Choice. We have I doing it, you know. Add in 1 and 2 small spinners, not much. You know, we in Jamaica call them spinners. You know. Otherwise known as dumpling also. But yeah. Spinners. Yeah, man. So, yeah, man. Just going to let this cook down now. And second. Yeah, man. Looking real good. Look at that, peeps. Look how pretty that look. Wow. Yeah, man. Professionally done. Yeah, man. Straight up. So I really appreciate if you subscribe, like and share. You know, are growing the channel. A lot more content to come, you know. Just starting out and things, so I really appreciate it. A lot more cooking content will be coming out and other content, so please like, share and subscribe, but I really appreciate it to help the channel grow. Yeah man, thank you very much. Yeah my peeps, this is the final thing right now. Isn't that a beauty? Yeah man, looking real nice. Final product. Yeah man. So I want to thank you for watching Wise Choice channel, you know. Yeah man, thank you very much. Greatly appreciated. Once again, like, share and subscribe. Remember to hit the notification bell so when I put out videos, you know, you'll be notified. Yeah man, thank you for watching Wise Child once again. Yeah man, you just have a blessed day or night. Yeah man, blessed love.